Hi guys and welcome back to our channel Intexture by ANK. In today's video we're going to talk about bathroom trends. Innovative interior design is shaping exciting bathroom trends. We're talking about fresh ideas, impressive designs and eco-friendly upgrades that are revolutionizing how we view our bathrooms. Let's jump right in and find out what's trending. So let's get started. If you want to revamp your personal space, bathroom ideas are blazing new trails in aesthetics, sustainability, and technology. This year, the bathroom is more than just a practical space. It's evolving into a haven of comfort and eco-conscious design. Sustainability is the buzzword in bathroom designs, manifesting most prominently in smart water-saving fixtures. Not only do touchless faucets and intelligent showers conserve valuable resources, but they also bring a modern, tech-savvy edge to a bathroom. Stepping up from last year's bathroom trends, this year you'll see options that will allow you to customize water temperature, flow, and even timing, offering both luxury and eco-friendliness in one package. Comfort and style dominate bathtub trends. Relaxation and rejuvenation have never felt nor looked so good. With stunning designs, creating a spa-like experience right at home is also easy. Whether it's a freestanding tub with smart temperature control or a built-in soaking tub surrounded by mood lighting, bathtubs set the base for the ultimate sanctuary. Natural materials are becoming an integral part of bathroom design. This year, organic textures like wood, stone, and even live plants flood in to create a sumptuous and grounding sanctuary. These materials boost visual interest as well as introduce a tactile richness. This combo makes the design experience more sensory and fulfilling. Many bathroom makeovers don these materials to showcase their soothing effect. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. While minimalism is ever trending, vibrant colors and detailed motifs are making a significant comeback. Blending old world charm with modern sensibility is gaining popularity. Think bold, vintage color palettes to intricate tile patterns. It also aligns with the greater interior design trends that favor authenticity and personalization. Bathroom ideas are shaping into a fascinating blend of technological innovation, sustainability, and aesthetic appeal. These trends offer a fresh look at how we conceptualize this intimate space. Whether you're looking to remodel or simply update your decor, the dynamic landscape of trending bathroom styles provides endless inspiration for the years to come. Among the most captivating bathroom remodel ideas is the harmonious blend of sleek modernity and rustic charm. Envision a space where cutting-edge vanities are offset by reclaimed wood and contemporary mirrors meet vintage light fixtures. This hybrid aesthetic is a rising star of bathroom trends, establishing a current yet timeless look. The contrast of redefined materials with rugged aspects is certainly captivating. Plus, it can simplify remodeling because you won't need much to make the change. Just like other bathroom trends, lighting is emerging as more than a functional element. It's a mood setter. This year will bring innovative light designs, ranging from customizable mood lighting to ornate chandeliers. Now, lighting is transformative, designed to adapt the atmosphere to your emotional needs. Tiles are breaking out of their purely functional role, cementing their spot as artistic bathroom decor ideas. Be it an elaborately patterned backsplash or a statement floor, creative tiles define the visual impact of a bathroom. Artistic tiles can also be subtle. Incorporate unique bathroom tile trends that suit your color scheme. These don't need to be bright or colorful to make a memorable design statement. Bathroom colors demand attention, bringing bold and subdued tones into the personal sanctuary. This year's palette aims to elicit a range of emotions, transforming not just the look but also the feel of the space. Color is becoming a focal point for innovation and aesthetic refinement. Earthy tones are making a subtle splash in bathroom colors. Indulge in rich browns, burnt orange, or muted greens to mimic nature's serenity. Next to organic materials like wood and stone, these hues can transform a bathroom into an oasis of calm. You can also include earthy tones in a high contemporary design. It will ground the design and make statement modern features stand out more. With bathroom colors, wallpaper is getting more sophisticated. no longer confined to living rooms or bedrooms. New wallpaper designs bring intricate designs and color to the bathroom. These serve as miniature artworks, adding a dash of luxury and personality to your space. In a fascinating twist, vintage elements meet contemporary flair in blue. Set against wood and vintage elements, navy can have a rejuvenating effect. The bold tone and old meets new blend creates a bathroom design that feels both familiar and fresh. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.